Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Starting with precious metal update, gold stayed relatively subdued in overnight trade amid market looking ahead for fresh figures with draft of US data scheduled this week, including retail sales and consumer sentiments. Overall, corrective moves cannot be ruled out as choppy US data this week amid hawkish commentators from ECB policymakers have brought down the possibilities of US rate cut in March, increasing uncertainty on timing of rate cuts. Expect some cautious mood to persist in the rate today. Technically, for gold futures, the pivot level is near 62,552. If it surpasses 62,666, it has potential to reach to 62,754. Conversely, if it falls below 62,452, we might see downside level of 62,364. Continuing with energy update, crude oil is likely to trade range bound with downside buyers as long as there is no further escalation on war front and remain confined with no direct impact on production. Focus this week will also be on Chinese fourth quarter GDP data and US retail sales and industrial production numbers due on Wednesday. Technically, for crude futures, pivot level is near 6,033. If it rises below 6,122, move might move towards level of 6,184. If it drops below 5,976, we may see downside of 5,914. Continuing with base metal updates, they might continue to trade mixed as investor awaits clarification on whether the market will stock up before Chinese New Year holiday. There will be limited upside room for copper as the US dollar is weighed down. Technically, for copper futures, pivot is seen near 715. If it breaks above 716, it may move upside of level of 780. Drops If it drops below 714, we might see downside level of 712. On currency front, rate cut expectations remain firm but slightly dented as stronger inflation and tight labor market continue to surprise markets. USD INR is below 83 but without any momentum further. Dollar has been picking up some strength due to slight doubt about the rate cut timings, which has crept in after the last inflation data. Even though rupee remains at an advantage, the shifting of dollar momentum could cap rupee upside in this move. Today looks like a sideways momentum for rupee as well. The range could be between 8290 and 8305. For today, US Empire State Manufacturing Index data will be focused on economic events. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.